Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. The MATIC chart has shown us 5 waves up, as we discussed already, into the December highs. Would have been ideal with maybe a marginally higher high, but market didn't want to do it. So it still is 5 waves up, especially on the larger time frame. We can clearly recognize that, especially here from the lows that were made in September. So we have that 5 wave move to the upside. I then brought already that wave 2 support area onto the chart for you, where the rapid breakdown, there was a trend line I gave you. When that broke, it was, well, sort of crashing down, short flash crash together with Bitcoin. And it hit actually the support area already. So this trading area was reached already for the very first time on the 3rd of January. I count this at the moment as 3 waves down. So my view is that either the A wave is complete and we are in a B wave rally. Corrective rally is not really a rally, but if we do something like that, then we would get a B wave. So again, A, B, C in wave B, and the A wave completed in an ABC structure. And then after the B wave, we come down in wave C. So that's one possibility. That would be my perspective if the next rally remains corrective, so remains only a 3 wave move. And if the price reacts to the resistance area before breaking above $1.02, $1.03. A sustained break below that level, which is the 78.6 retracement level of the decline, would suggest that the price is already in a 3rd wave rally. So this current support area is for a wave 2. Normally, as an Elliott wave trader, you want to look for wave 2 pullbacks to get your position before a 3rd wave rally unfolds. The 3rd wave could take the price to $3 and beyond eventually. And eventually, you know, as a bull market target, we talk about round about $10, maybe a little lower, but that's sort of roughly and realistic what I am looking for on the MATIC chart. That might still change, but for now, that's sort of my objective, my goal. Target. And yeah, the other interpretation is if the price doesn't turn here, so if I zoom in a little bit, if the price doesn't turn here, we might not have finished this decline and we are getting one more low in wave C of 2, and that could be it. I mean, if we get one more low, we also have a complete ABC structure, actually a little bit more clearly defined. And then again, if the next rally is corrective, it might still be the B wave, but if we form an impulse to the upside, yeah, and break above resistance, that's when we're looking for the 3rd wave. Because again, also that 3rd wave, which should then develop, will be a 5 wave move. And it should be the strongest trend in a pattern. So it would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next entry point then would probably form after wave 1 is complete in the wave 2 to trade the 3rd of a 3rd wave. If we're looking for pullback trades, yeah. That's sort of what I'm watching at the moment. Bear in mind that the support levels are at 80 cents, 73.3, 66.7, and 58.4. And it will take a break below 58 cents to suggest that something more bearish is going on and that we don't look anymore for a 3rd wave rally. So only below that level, I'm looking for something more bearish. But we have to give it that space, either in a more pronounced A, B, C structure, or if it goes down a little bit more directly. But as long as it's holding support, everything's good. It's just that we have 4 levels here where we can watch for a reaction. Ideally, I'd like to see a lower wave 2. So either more directly here with one more low, possibly hitting the 50% FIB level, the golden ratio. I mean, that would be quite aggressive, but that's still fine. As long as we're holding support, that's the most important aspect here. Everything that happens here is literally noise, you know. As long as it's holding support, we are looking for that 3rd wave rally afterwards. And I can give you a more precise target for a 3rd wave once we have a confirmed low in place for wave 2. Again, how is it confirmed? Well, minimally, I need to see a break above resistance, and that B wave high is the same level around $1.03. Better would be a break above the wave 1 high at $1.10, and it needs to be an impulsive move. So then we can confirm it. That's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. You can find the links to those channels in the description. Also, make sure you only follow the official ones. There are impersonators around, scammers, so make sure that you only follow the official Instagram and Twitter accounts. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.